Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games is back with more Beast Clans. Yes, this is the version 2, V2, that I hinted at in the previous video. And pull those suckers out. Again, no information on the box. No information on the packs, but kudos to them for putting this out. It takes a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money, blood, sweat, tears, sleepless night, and all that jazz. Just to show you that right there is the version 2. Again, version 1 here. Pack lion instead of the snake man. So let's have right at it. I'm just going to open up 1 or 2 packs real quick, and then I'll pause and open the rest. And yeah, ooh, we have Queen Mama J Fish, level 2. Look at that. We are ready. We're still upside down compared to the rest of the pack. Still smell the same. Another ball wreck bite. I'm getting the same cards. Well, they're supposed to. A Soviet submarine. Oi. Switch fork. So, G-Dog. Oh, army ant. We are bad. We are boss. We have guts to squish and squash. Army ants, we go marching along. So, I'm getting some of the same cards. And it was supposed to be a streamlined experience. They changed some things to improve it. And one of the things they changed is your foils are upside down. Prince Orkin. Hey, look at this. A level 2 royal. All right. So maybe they fixed the distribution of the royal foil. Boom. Yeah, a lot of those are the same cards. But, well, I guess I'm going to keep them separate because, yeah, see what's changed. So I'm going to pause this real quick, and then we'll come back with these all open. All right, so now I have them all opened, and let's take a look and find it interesting, again, that the foils are upside down, and sometimes the foils are facing the front of the pack, sometimes they're facing the back of the pack. They have not all been arranged the same. So, King Ramizard, kind of cool. And just seeing a lot of these. Queen Elephant, level 2. Sorry, the lighting just switched in here. Battle Tower. Titanical ship. Looks like it's made out of Legos. Queen Elephant. Oh, look at that. So we have, here's a level 2 Queen Elephant. And discard 5 cards from your hand to evolve to level 3. Fully evolved. So you can draw for 1 biomass, draw and discard a card. So kind of cool to finally see how the evolution works. Catman Fu. Okay. Prince Stronghorn. Sorry if those are the ones I already... Battle Chariot. Or the Chainsaw Sword. I've never seen that before. Wrestling Rooster from WCW. Maybe this is the one. That's a level 2. King Blue Wall. There we go. Level 2. Ocean Royal. Right there. Okay. There's that dang lighting again. Sorry. Level 3 King Blue Wall. Woohoo! Fully evolved. And Blue Whale's tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant, and about 100 people could fit in its mouth. Woo! It should not have an apostrophe in there, because that means it is, and it could fit in it is mouth. Yes, I am a stickler for spelling, punctuation, and grammar. And I love the Oxford comma. Princess Darkwing, pretty wicked. Level 3. So I'm getting some cool royals that are foil now. Maybe that's what they fixed between the sets. And they're always upside down. Princess Whitehorn. Oh, level 3 Whitehorn. And Prince Shadowstalk. That's pretty cool. Reminds me a little bit of Panther from Thundercats, as did that guy. I just wish, I mean, the rarity doesn't matter. I think these are the ones I already, went through. But there is a foil Sandstorm somewhere in there. Electric Gauntlets. Looks like Iron Man. Porco again. Yeah, I don't... Oh, Princess Darkwing, level 2. So I like that I'm getting the... It's like it's made to buy a whole booster box, though. Because then you get the level 2 and level 3 Prince Grizzlar 3. So something tells me there's going to be a Prince Grizzlar level 2 in this pile. Oh, look, there he is. I mean, pretty sweet art. Don't get me wrong. It does have some really cool art. More horses. Queen Fire Llama, level 3. Let's see if we get a Queen Fire Llama level 2. Really? Oh, it's Wolverine, but they put 4, so that looks different enough. King Ramizard. Red. All right, and I did not get a Fire Llama 2, at least not yet. Hailstorm, cool. Somewhere in there. Again, the foiling seems kind of chintzy. Reminds me, again, like I said, the stickers you used to get out of the machines. Wait, is there a line? Wow. You probably, I don't know if you can see this on camera. It's really hard to notice on the camera, but there are like lines on the card breaking it up into quadrants. You can, there you go. It's very weird, like bricks. It's just wonky. It kind of, a little bit reminds me of the Argent Saga, the bad foiling they had at first. Yeah, this Hailstorm, same weird quadrants. And Darkwing 2. I guess I should file these separately. Ooh, King Iron Lion, that's cool. Wait a second. Lionel. He's level 2. I guess I should... seems like a waste of... Chomp. Space to file. Oh, King Iron Lion 3. Ooh, Fire Mane. Okay, that's pretty cool. And here we have Princess Whitehorn 2. So now we have 2 and 3 of her. Well, 1, 2, and 3. And all right. Tropical Cyclone. All right. Does this have the... Yep. All their foils have that weird mortar, brick and mortar look to them. King Blue Wall level 2. King Ramizard That's cool. But I have to now go back and see if I have any of these guys level 1. Princess Delphine. Oh, get it because of dolphin. Man, double. Princess Delphine 3. And flipper, faster than lightning. Doody. All right. Oh, look, it's another level 3 Delphine. Princess Whitehorn, another level 3. There's probably no market for these at all. Another blue wall. But maybe some other weirdos on the dead TCG and CCG group on Facebook with me will. Prince Orkan. He's like got Aquaman-esque armor. But they'll want to trade to get full sets of. Yet another dead game. And Prince Stronghorn. Looks like a minor league hockey team's mascot. Great. And the last pack right here. Oh, look, Prince Stronghorn, level 3. And now he's mixed, like Rhino mixed with Juggernaut. Rhino-naut. Both African and Sumatran rhinoceros. I thought it was rhinoceros. African and Sumatran rhinoceros have 2 horns, while the Indian and Javan rhinoceros have a single horn. And Soviet submarine, rain of fire. Ball-wreck bison again, bee sting, praying mantis, lady spots, weblings, and sea trunk. We're going to leave you with the beast fact that the elephant seal has a large volume of blood, allowing them to hold a large amount of oxygen when diving. Look at that. Copyright 2015. So maybe this is the version 1. And I grab a biomes card which has no information on it. Nope, 2015 as well, even though that's not what it says on the Kickstarter. But there you have it. Beast Clans trading card game. No biomass at all in the entire case. So, if you bought that, you can't play the game. Wah wah. Oh, stinking doidles.